In this video, let us understand balancing the chemical equations. In today's lecture, you will understand how to write the chemical equations and how to balance it perfectly. Let us understand step by step. Now, let us understand how to write the chemical equations. Now, let us consider an example of a hydrogen plus oxygen that gives water. So, hydrogen can be written as H2 plus oxygen is O2, that will give us H2O. In this chemical equation, there are two sides, left side and right side. The left side of the equation is known as reactants and the right side of the equation is known as product. These reactants are the things we mix and the product is the new thing formed. Hope you have understood this. The left side of the chemical equation is reactant and the right side of the chemical equation is the product. Reactant is the thing we mix and the product is the new thing which is formed. So why do we need to balance the equation? We have a very important rule in science which is known as law of conservation of mass. This formula rule states that mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. Because of this rule, the number of atoms on the left side, which is reactants, must be equal to the number of atoms in the right side, which is product. So this is very important. The number of atoms in the reactant must be equal to the number of atoms in the product. Now let us balance an equation. Let us make water. The formula is H2 plus O2 gives H2O. In this equation, hydrogen is having 2 atoms, oxygen is having 2 atoms. In the right side of the equation, hydrogen is having 2 atoms and oxygen is having only 1 atom. Now, this equation is not balanced. We need to balance this equation. To balance this equation, let us make a table. Let us write hydrogen and oxygen in the left side and hydrogen and oxygen in the right side. Now, in the above equation, we have 2 atoms for hydrogen, 2 atoms for oxygen, and towards right side of the equation, we have 2 atoms in the hydrogen and only 1 atom in the oxygen. 2 hydrogen atoms in right side and left side are available, but in the left side we are having 2 atoms for oxygen. In the right side we are having 1 atom for oxygen. So to balance this, we can multiply 2 with right side equation. So if we multiply 2 with right side equation, so hydrogen will be multiplied by 2, oxygen will be multiplied by 2. So the number of atoms in hydrogen will be 4 and number of atoms in oxygen will be 2. Now, in the left side, we are having 2 hydrogen atoms, but in the right side, we are having 4 hydrogen atoms. Again, the equation is not balanced. So if you observe the oxygen, we are having 2 atoms in the left side as well as right side. So let us take this equation. Now, to balance this equation, let us multiply 2 with this hydrogen. Now, if we check in the left side, for hydrogen, we are having 2 into 2, 4 atoms. And for oxygen, we are having 2 atoms. In the right side, for hydrogen, we are having 2 into 2, which is 4 atoms. And for oxygen, we are having 2 into 1, which is 2 atoms. So, number of atoms in the left side are equal to number of atoms in the right side. So, the final balanced equation is 2H2 plus O2 is 2H2O. So, this equation is balanced. So, let us quickly revise. Reactants are on the left side and products are on the right side. We balance equation to follow the law of conservation of mass. Always count atoms on both sides and multiply to make them equal. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.